Have you ever wondered if the moon might hold secrets beyond our understanding? Our celestial partner, the moon, has been an endless source of fascination and intrigue. Its origins, in particular, have been the subject of countless theories and endless debates. Let's take a trip back to the dawn of lunar science. Theories about the moon's origins have been as varied as they are imaginative. Some early theories suggested the moon was a sister planet that formed simultaneously with Earth, or even a captured asteroid that got snared by our planet's gravity. However, the most popular and widely accepted theory today is the giant impact hypothesis. This theory proposes that a Mars-sized body, named Theia, collided with the young Earth around 4.5 billion years ago. The debris from this catastrophic event eventually coalesced to form our moon. This is an elegant and grandiose theory, but it's not without its critics. Some scientists argue that the dynamics of such a collision are highly improbable. Others point to the moon's composition, which is oddly similar to the Earth's mantle, as a major sticking point. According to the giant impact hypothesis, the moon should be primarily composed of Theia's remains, not Earth's. This discrepancy is puzzling and has led many to question the validity of the giant impact hypothesis. Moreover, there's a subset of thinkers who believe our moon's origins might be even more enigmatic. Some propose that the moon could be an ancient spaceship left by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. Others suggest it might be a holographic projection or even a conscious entity observing us. These fringe theories may seem far-fetched, but they highlight the enduring mystery of our moon's origins. So while the giant impact hypothesis remains the frontrunner in explaining the moon's birth, it's not without its challengers. The moon, it seems, continues to hold its secrets close. But what if there's more to the moon's origin story than we think? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of lunar conspiracy theories. Could our moon in reality be hollow? Imagine a celestial body hanging in the sky, not of dense rock and metal, but an empty shell. This is the premise of the hollow moon theory, a fascinating conspiracy theory that proposes our moon is not a natural celestial body, but a hollowed-out spaceship created by unknown entities. The origins of this theory date back to the late 20th century, around the time of the Apollo missions. Some proponents of this theory believe that the moon's creation and existence cannot be explained by conventional science, leading them to propose alternate theories. The hollow moon theory gained traction due to what some interpret as peculiar seismic activity on the moon. These seismic activities were observed during NASA's Apollo missions when the lunar module impacted the moon's surface. The moon reverberated much like a bell, with these seismic activities lasting for nearly an hour. This led to speculation that the moon could be hollow, or at least has significant hollow areas. But why do people believe in the hollow moon theory? To some, it's a matter of questioning the known and exploring the unknown. It's about challenging accepted scientific theories and sparking curiosity about the world beyond our planet. For others, it's about the possibility of extraterrestrial life or advanced ancient civilizations. A hollow moon could potentially serve as a spaceship or a base for these advanced beings. However, scientists have countered these claims with geological explanations. The moon's composition, they argue, is similar to Earth's mantle, and the prolonged reverberations could be due to the moon's more fractured surface. So, what do we make of all this? Is our moon a massive spacecraft waiting for the right moment to spring into action? Or is it simply a natural satellite composed of rocks and metals? Its mysteries yet to be completely understood. So, is the moon a hollowed-out spaceship, or is there a more mundane explanation? As we delve deeper into the cosmos, perhaps we'll find the answers to these tantalizing questions. Did we really land on the moon in 1969, or was it all an elaborate ruse? This is the question at the heart of one of the most enduring conspiracy theories of our time, the moon landing hoax. This theory suggests that the United States never sent astronauts to the moon. Instead, it alleges the entire Apollo program was an elaborate deception staged by NASA and the US government. This theory first gained traction in the early 70s, shortly after the Apollo moon missions ended. The seeds of doubt were sown among the public, fueled by a general mistrust of the government during the Cold War era. Some began to question the authenticity of the moon landing footage, scrutinizing every frame for signs of fakery. One of the most cited pieces of evidence is the American flag planted by the astronauts. In the footage, the flag appears to be waving as if caught in a breeze. But wait a minute, there's no wind on the moon. So how could the flag be fluttering? Conspiracy theorists argue this is proof the landing was filmed in a studio, with the air conditioning causing the flag to move. However, NASA has explained this apparent anomaly. The flag had a horizontal rod to keep it extended in the windless lunar environment. When the astronauts were planting it, their movements caused the flag to ripple, an effect that continued even after they let go due to the moon's lower gravity and lack of air resistance. Despite the scientific explanations, the moon landing hoax theory continues to captivate many. It's a testament to our human nature, our tendency to question, to wonder, and sometimes to distrust. It's a reminder that even in an age of remarkable technological advancement, we still grapple with distinguishing fact from fiction. Could the greatest achievement in human history be nothing more than smoke and mirrors? It's a chilling thought. But like all conspiracy theories, it challenges us to question, to seek truth, and to never stop exploring. What secrets might be hidden on the dark side of the moon? This question has captured the imaginations of scientists, authors, and conspiracy theorists alike for decades. The dark side of the moon, also known as the far side, is the hemisphere of the moon that always faces away from Earth. This has led to countless speculations about what might be lurking in that unseen expanse. One of the most fascinating theories is that the dark side of the moon could be home to alien bases. Yes, you heard it right, extraterrestrial life. The thought of it may seem far-fetched, but some believe that the dark side provides the perfect cover for alien civilizations to establish bases, undisturbed and hidden from the prying eyes of humanity. Supporters of this theory often point to certain anomalies captured in photographs by lunar missions. These anomalies, they suggest, could be evidence of alien structures or even spacecraft. But of course, scientists usually have more mundane explanations, attributing these oddities to natural geological processes or flaws in the imaging equipment. Another intriguing theory suggests that the dark side of the moon might be the site of secret military installations. Given the strategic advantage of a base on the moon, it's not entirely outside the realm of possibility. From there, one could potentially observe and monitor activities on Earth or even launch space missions with relative ease. However, there's no concrete evidence to support this claim, and international treaties prohibit militarization of celestial bodies. The truth is, we don't really know what's on the dark side of the moon. Only a handful of astronauts have ever seen it with their own eyes, and unmanned missions have only given us a glimpse of its surface. It remains one of the greatest mysteries in our solar system, a tantalizing enigma that continues to inspire curiosity and wonder. So, are there alien bases on the dark side of the moon, or is it just barren lunar terrain? Until we have the means to explore it more thoroughly, the dark side of the moon will remain an intriguing question mark in the annals of space exploration. Are the strange lights seen on the moon evidence of extraterrestrial activity? Consider this. Our closest celestial neighbor, the moon, has been a subject of fascination for centuries. But beyond its romantic glow, there have been some strange sightings. Yes, we're talking about the mysterious lights on the moon, phenomena that have puzzled astronomers and conspiracy theorists alike. Let's dive into this lunar mystery. The most common of these events are known as transient lunar phenomena, or TLPs for short. These are short-lived changes in the appearance of the lunar surface, including areas that suddenly brighten or darken. These TLPs have been reported by amateur astronomers and even by Apollo astronauts during their lunar missions. The causes of these phenomena, however, remain a mystery. Some propose that these TLPs could be the result of outgassing, the release of gas trapped beneath the lunar surface. Others suggest they may be caused by the impact of meteoroids, but these explanations don't satisfy everyone. Cue the entrance of our extraterrestrial friends. Conspiracy theorists speculate that these TLPs could be evidence of alien activity. Are these flashes of light the result of alien spacecraft landing or taking off? Are they signals from an extraterrestrial civilization trying to communicate with us? Or perhaps they are signs of an alien base hidden beneath the moon's surface? Next, we have the lunar wave, another unexplained phenomenon. This appears as a distortion or ripple moving across the moon's surface. Some suggest this could be proof of a holographic moon, another popular conspiracy theory. So, what are these mysterious lights? Are they natural processes unknown to science, or signs of extraterrestrial activity? As with many lunar mysteries, the jury is still out. Our moon continues to baffle us, reminding us of how much we have yet to learn about our universe. Could these lights be evidence of alien activity, or is there a scientific explanation yet to be discovered? To uncover the truth, we must continue to observe, study, and explore. After all, the moon, much like the truth, is out there. The moon has been a source of fascination and mystery for centuries. From its enigmatic origins to the hollow moon theory, The supposed moon landing hoax, the dark side of the moon, and the moon's mysterious lights, we've delved into some of the most intriguing lunar conspiracy theories that have captured our collective imaginations. However, while these theories may be fascinating, it's essential to approach them with a healthy dose of critical thinking. Scientific evidence should always be our guiding light when navigating the dark corners of such captivating conjectures. It's easy to get swept up in the allure of the unknown, but remember, the moon, like all things in our universe, operates under the laws of physics and reality. So, what do you believe? Does our moon hold secrets yet to be discovered? Or are these theories nothing more than lunar lunacy?